Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit the two types of a roof. One is the Eames house roof, which is a flat roof, and the other is a typical residential hip roof in Revit. There are 10 standard roof shape models in the Revit tutorial. Please watch this tutorial for your other projects. You can find the link in this textbook. If you want to create complex roof shapes in Revit, please watch this YouTube video. You can find the link in the textbook. For the Eames house project, you will create two models, which are the roof on the top of the metal deck, and the edge of the roof. First, add a flat roof. Step 1. From the project browser, switch to the roof plan. Step 2. In the properties, with nothing selected, set the underlay to level 2. Step 3. From the Architectural tab, click the small arrow on the roof. Click Roof by Footprint. Step 4. Use the Draw tool to create a boundary. Make sure you check Basic Roof. Change Generic, 9 inches to 3 inches. Set Base Level as Roof. Set Base Offset from Level, 0 foot 0 inches. Uncheck, Define Slope. Offset, 0 foot 0 inches. Step 5. Once the boundary line is done, click the green check mark. Step 6. Your roof will be over the metal deck, you can move the roof above the metal deck. Step 7. You may add a point/a line for slope for a roof drain, click Add Point and click a point on the roof and change the height. Second, to create a gutter. Step 1. From the Architectural tab, click the small arrow on the roof, click Roof, Gutter. Step 2. The default will be gutter, bevel 5 inches x 5 inches. We will change to 6 inches x 6 inches. Step 3. Click Edit Type. Click Duplicate. Name change 000_gutter, bevel 6 inches by 6 inches. Click OK. Step 4. Click Gutter Profile Bevel, 5 inches x 5 inches on Profile. Step 5. Change to 6 inches by 6 inches. Click OK. Step 6. From the ISO view, click the top edges of the roof. Step 7. To finish, press the ESC key on your keyboard. Third, add a hip roof. Step 1. From the project browser, switch to the roof plan. Step 2. In the properties, with nothing selected, set the underlay to level 2 or level 1. Step 3. From the Architectural tab, click the small arrow on the roof. Click Roof by Footprint. Step 4. Use the Draw tool to create a boundary. Make sure you check Basic Roof. Generic, 9 inches to change to 3 inches. Set Base Level as Roof. Set the base offset from level as 0 foot 0 inches. Check, Define Slope. Slope, 9/12. Offset, 1 foot 6 inches. Step 5. Select lines that do not have a slope. Uncheck Define Slope. Step 6. Click green checkmark when it is done. Step 7. From the Architectural tab, click the small arrow on the roof. Click Roof by extension. Step 8. Revit will ask you to select a work plan. Select Pick a plane. Pick a face of the wall where the roof profile will start. Step 9. Revit will ask you to select roof reference level and offset. Click OK. Step 10. Draw a continued open line for the roof on a front view. Step 11. Click green checkmark when it is done. Step 12. On the plan view, you will adjust the depth of the roof. Step 13. To fix the separated roof, you may use join/unjoin roof on the Modify tab. Step 14. Click the profile first and click the face where the profile will meet. Step 15. To meet all walls to the roof, select all walls. Step 16. Click Attach top/base. Step 17. Click the roof, you may get a warning, but it is okay. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit roofs in Revit. Thank you.